fantastic. We're actually looking at plenty of sunshine across the area, bright blue skies, and it's 85 degrees in New Orleans, dew points in the lower 60s, so it feels fantastic out there. And we're dealing with a light wind out of the northeast at 12 miles per hour, and the winds will remain out of the northeast pretty much through the entire day heading into tonight because of the setup. Here's a look at your current temperatures. We're in the 80s, nearing 90 in Buras, and middle to upper 80s in Galliano, Houma, Thibodaux, as well as Laplace. Now, your local expert forecast for today, temperatures nearing 90 in Houma and Thibodaux, and we'll be in the upper 80s as well in Slidell and Hammond. Nonetheless, it's going to be a very hot day, but at least we won't be dealing with the humidity. So as we take a look at the water vapor imagery, this orange color, that indicates dry air. So that dry air is over the entire state. We do have a stationary front situated to our south and also our southeast. And because of that, it looks like that dry air is going to remain over the area, at least for the next couple of days or so. But it is going to keep things somewhat breezy, especially along our coastal areas and also our lakes through the afternoon. Now look at our rain chances, at least through the next several days. Looking at low rain chances as we head into the weekend, we may see a few isolated showers, some storms, but many locations are expected to remain dry. Overall, looking at a very pleasant forecast across southeast Louisiana. Now, let's go ahead and talk about the tropics because we have been tracking Tropical Storm Fiona, which actually developed yesterday, looking very good on satellite imagery here. Numerous showers and thunderstorms trying to wrap around the center of the system, but it is fighting a little bit of westerly wind shear. That's why most of the convection is found on the western side or the eastern side of the center of this system here. So it is moving to the west at 14 miles per hour. It's about 495 miles east of the Leeward Islands. It has maximum sustained winds of 50 miles per hour as of the latest update, with stronger wind gusts of 65 miles per hour. So here's the latest track from the National Hurricane Center. So when we're speaking about intensity, it looks like it is going to remain a tropical storm at least for the next several days. But a few things to take into account here as it goes over the mountains or the islands. Some of the islands are pretty mountainous, so we'll have to watch and see what happens, if it will continue to strengthen or not. But as we get closer to, I would say, Sunday night into our Monday, it could potentially take a turn. So we'll have to watch that very closely. As of right now, as we look at the upper atmosphere, what's going on there. So here's Fiona. You could see all that moisture surrounded in that area. It's also surrounded by a little bit of dry air. So it is working against some wind shear and also a little bit of dry air here. So we'll continue to watch that very closely. But I do want to mention something very interesting here. So as we head into next week, there's going to be an upper level ridge, pretty strong. It is going to expand over the area, so it's going to keep our temperatures above average, but we're going to have to watch that upper level ridge very closely because even though our temperatures will be above average across the area, it is going to determine where Fiona, when, and also if it turns as we head into the first half of next week. So there's the spaghetti plots, pretty good consensus taking it through the Caribbean. But notice as we head into the end of the week, there are three scenarios. So again, it is possible it could head into the Gulf, but again, that depends on how strong that upper level ridge will be, if it will curve to the west-northwest or as how soon it will curve. So we'll watch it very closely. Here's a look at your 7-day forecast. 88 today. It's going to be warm but less humid. Same deal as we head into tomorrow, and a few spotty showers and storms as we head into the weekend, and things really get hot as we head into next week.